Email deliverability and compliance are crucial for successful email marketing. Let's explore key tips to ensure your emails reach inboxes and stay legal. First, ensure compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. This means getting explicit opt-in confirmation from subscribers before sending emails and including unsubscribe links in every message. ConvertKit automatically handles these requirements for you. Email deliverability depends heavily on your sender reputation. Factors like sending frequency, bounce rates, unsubscribes, and subscriber engagement all play a role in determining whether your emails land in the inbox or spam folder. ConvertKit provides essential tools to improve deliverability. IP warming helps build reputation by gradually increasing your sending volume over time. The platform also includes spam monitoring to help you avoid common triggers. Finally, follow these best practices. Avoid common spam triggers like all caps text or urgent language. Maintain consistent sending schedules and always focus on providing valuable content that keeps subscribers engaged. Real-world examples show how effective segmentation can be in email marketing with ConvertKit. ConvertKit user Pat Flynn leveraged smart segments to increase engagement by 30% through targeted sends. ConvertKit's own newsletters used segmentation to achieve a 45% improvement in open rates. According to HubSpot, segmented emails see 14.3% higher open rates compared to broadcasts. Marketing experts highlight ConvertKit's AI tools and strong compliance features as key advantages. These real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of targeted email marketing using ConvertKit.